Hello, and welcome back to Speak English channel.
Hey everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. And on this channel, we make videos to help you speak English every single day.
That's right. We want to make English simple, friendly, and useful for your real life.
Before we start, if you're new here, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us more than you know, and it helps other learners find us too. Thank you.
So, what are we doing today, Paul? We are talking about a tiny word, a word you hear 100 times a day.
Yes, it's a word that does everything. The word is do. D-O. Do.
We use do all the time. For the past, for now, for the future, for questions, for answers. It's everywhere.
It can be a little confusing, but don't worry. We will make it very simple today.
We will practice listening, we will learn useful phrases, and we will have a fun, natural conversation. Are you ready?
Let's begin. So, Emily, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I did many things. I cleaned my apartment, I did the laundry,
Oh, you did the laundry? That's great.
I did. And I did the shopping too. I bought milk.
Perfect. We need milk. So, you see, we already used do and did many times. Today, we will learn all about them.
We will see how to use do, does, and did. It will be very, very useful. Are you excited?
I am. Let's do it.
Okay, Paul, let's start teaching. Do is one of the most important words in English.
I agree. We use it all the time. First, do is an action word, a verb. It means to perform an action, to complete something, like do homework, do exercise, do the dishes.
Exactly. But do has another, even bigger job. It is a helper, a helping verb. We use it to make questions and negative sentences.
Ah, yes, that's the part that can be tricky. Let's start with now, the present time. We have two forms, do and does.
Can you tell me when we use does?
We use does for he, she, or it. One person, one thing.
Perfect. So I do, you do, we do, they do. But he does, she does, it does, my brother does, the computer does.
Yes. Now, let's make a question. How do you ask me about my job?
I ask, what do you do, Paul?
Great question. And I answer, I am a teacher. So for questions with I, you, we, they, we start with do. Do you like music? Do they live here? Do we have time?
Excellent. And for he, she, it, we start with does. Does he like music? Does she live here? Does it work?
Now, how do we answer? Short answers. We use do or does again. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't.
Don't is short for do not. Doesn't is short for does not. So for negative sentences, I don't like, you don't like, we don't like, they don't like.
Let's practice. Ask me if I drink coffee.
Do you drink coffee, Paul?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee every morning. Now ask me if my sister drinks coffee.
Does your sister drink coffee?
No, she doesn't. She only drinks tea. Good.
Now, let's talk about the past. This is easier. Only one word, did, for everyone.
I did. You did. He did. She did. It did. We did. They did. Wonderful.
So for past questions, we start with did for everyone. Did you eat breakfast? Did she call you? Did they finish?
And short answers, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, they did. No, they didn't. And for past negatives, I didn't eat. You didn't eat. She didn't eat. Didn't for everyone.
I like that. It's simple. Let's practice the past. Ask me about yesterday.
Did you go to the park yesterday, Emily?
No, I didn't. I stayed home. Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I did. I cooked pasta.
Now, the future. For this, we use will do. Will is for the future. I will do, you will do, he will do, everyone will do.
I will do my homework tomorrow. She will do the presentation next week. For questions, we start with will. Will you help me? Will they come?
Short answer, yes, I will. No, I won't. Won't means will not. And negative, I won't do it. He won't be there.
So we have present, past, and future. But there's one more thing. We use do for emphasis to make a sentence stronger.
Ah, like, I do like your cooking, even if you look surprised.
Yes, exactly. I did finish my work. We say do or did with more force. I do want to learn English.
See? Perfect. Let's also talk about do for general activities. What do you do on weekends? It's not one specific time, it's a general habit.
Right. I do a lot of reading in the summer. Okay, so do for actions, do for questions, do for negatives, do for emphasis, do for general activities. This word does a lot.
It really does. The key is to listen and practice. You will hear do, does, did everywhere. Should we practice together now?
Wonderful idea. Let's do it.
Okay, Paul, let's have a real conversation. Tell me about your day. What did you do this morning?
This morning I did a lot. First, I did some exercise.
You did? What kind of exercise did you do?
I did some yoga. Then I did a short walk. It was nice. I did not do any exercise yesterday, so today I wanted to.
That's good. I did not do exercise today. I wanted to sleep more.
That's okay. Sometimes doing nothing is the best thing to do. What did you do instead?
I made a big breakfast. I did the eggs, I did the toast, everything. Did you do the dishes after? No, I didn't. I left them. I will do them later. Do you think that's bad?
No, I don't. I do that all the time.
I know. So, what do you do at work? A normal day.
Well, I do many things. I do a lot of computer work, I write emails, I do reports. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do, most of the time. But sometimes I do not like the meetings. Too long.
I know what you mean. What does your boss do? Is she nice?
She does many things. She manages our team, she does the planning, and yes, she does it nicely. She's good. Did you do anything fun last weekend?
Last weekend. Yes, we did that picnic in the park, remember?
Oh, yes, I did forget for a moment. We did a big picnic. What did we do there?
We ate food, we talked, and you did something funny.
What did I do?
You did a little dance when your favorite song played.
Oh, no, I did. I forgot about that. It was cute. So, what will we do next weekend? Any ideas?
Hmm, I don't know. What do you want to do? We could do a movie night.
Both sound good. Do you want to ask our friends what they do on weekends? Maybe we can do something together.
Nice idea. I will do that. I will call them.
Okay, let's look at useful sentences now. Real things people say every day.
Yes, practical examples. Let's start with routines. How do you ask about a normal day? You can ask me, what do you do in the evenings, Emily?
What do you do in the evenings, Paul?
I usually read a book or watch TV. See? What do you do is perfect for habits.
Let's do a short dialogue, a daily routine.
So, what do you do after work?
Well, I do a few things. First, I do some exercise. Then, I do the cooking.
Do you do the cooking every day?
Almost every day. Sometimes we do takeaway.
What does your roommate do after work?
She does different things. She often does yoga.
Now, the past. Asking about the finished time. Did you do anything fun last weekend?
Did you do anything fun last weekend, Paul?
Yes, I did. I did a bike ride with friends.
Did you do anything special?
No, I didn't. I didn't do much. I just did some cleaning.
E-future, making plans and offers. For example, if someone is busy, you can offer help.
Will you do me a favor, Emily?
Of course. What will you have me do?
Can you do the grocery shopping for me tomorrow? I have a meeting.
Sure, I will do it. Now, asking for preferences. General facts. Do you like Italian food?
Do you like Italian food, Emily?
Yes, I do. I love it. Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't. My stomach doesn't do well with it. Now, negative sentences, saying what you don't do. I don't do scary movies.
I don't do scary movies either. Do you do your taxes yourself?
Oh, no, I don't. I don't do them. I pay someone to do it.
And short answers. Quick and clear.
Emily, do you want more tea?
Yes, please, I do.
Do you need sugar?
No, thank you, I don't. Okay, now let's go through essential must-know phrases that use do. These are the ones you hear all the time.
Let's start with a formal hello. How do you do? It's formal, for meeting someone important. The answer is often, how do you do, back.
The big job question. What do you do? It means, what is your job?
A very useful offer. What can I do for you? It means, how can I help you?
Encouragement. You can do it. I believe in you. You can succeed.
Very common. I don't know. You say this when you don't have an answer.
Similar, I don't think so. A soft way to say no or probably not.
Asking for permission. Do you mind? Like, do you mind if I open the window? Is it a problem?
Advice. Do your best. Try as hard as you can.
When something is enough. That'll do. Stop. It's perfect.
Chores. Do the ironing. Do the cleaning. Do the laundry. We use do for many housework actions.
Business. Do business with someone. Our company does business with many countries.
Health. Do exercise. Be active.
School. Do homework. I need to do my homework.
The opposite. Do nothing. On Sunday, I will do nothing. It's a plan.
Asking for help. Do me a favor. Can you do me a favor?
Praise. Well done. You say this when someone does something good.
Checking for time. Do you have a minute? Are you busy? Can I talk to you?
A strong question. Do you promise? Do you give me your word?
An invitation. Do you want to get coffee? Very friendly.
And a classic. Do not disturb. You see this on hotel doors. Please do not knock.
Wow, we did a lot of phrases, but you see, they are everywhere. You don't need to memorize all today. Just listen. When you hear how do, you will understand.
Small steps. You will do great. Now, let's do a quick vocabulary review. Words we often use with do.
First word, chore. A chore is a small job in the house. Not fun, but necessary. Cleaning is a chore. So Saturday morning is for doing chores.
Laundry. Do the laundry. Laundry means clothes that need washing.
Errand. An errand is a short trip to do one thing. Go to the post office. That's an errand. I need to do a few errands.
Task. A task is a piece of work you must do. My first task is to write an email.
Favor. Do me a favor. A favor is a helpful act for someone for free.
Deal. In business, a deal is an agreement. They did a deal. We also say deal when we agree. You do cooking, I do cleaning. Deal.
Damage. To do damage means to cause harm. The storm did a lot of damage.
And a fun phrase, do the trick. It means to solve a problem. This medicine should do the trick.
Good. Now it's your turn to speak. Please repeat after us. We will say important sentences and you say them too. Ready, Emily?
Ready.
Present tense. I do my work.
For her, she does her homework.
A question. Do you like tea?
A question for him. Does he live here?
Past tense. We did the shopping.
A past question. Did they call you?
Now a negative. I don't understand.
Negative for him. He doesn't work here.
Past negative. We didn't go.
The big job question. What do you do?
Asking for help. Do me a favor.
Encouraging. Do your best.
Giving praise. Well done.
Future promise. I will do it.
Final encouragement to all of you. You can do it.
Perfect. Great job, everyone. You did so well. Practicing speaking is the best way to learn.
Wow, Emily, we talked a lot about the word do today.
We really did, didn't we? We did the present, past, and future, questions, answers. I think you did a fantastic job.
Me? No, you did all the hard work. We did it together.
So, what did we do? We practiced, we learned phrases, we reviewed vocabulary, and we spoke together. You did a lot of learning today.
You should be proud. Learning a language is not easy, but you are doing it. Remember, you don't need to do everything perfectly. Just do a little English every day. Small steps do big things.
Beautifully said. Now, we have a question of the day for you, our favorite part.
Today's question is, what is one thing you always do on Monday mornings? Do you drink coffee? Do you go for a walk? Do you make a plan?
We really do want to know. Please write your answer in the comments. We read every single one. It does make us so happy.
And if you did enjoy this lesson, please do let us know by liking this video. It helps other learners find us.
If you want to do more lessons with us, please subscribe to the Speak English channel. Just hit that button. It's free and it helps us so much.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for spending your time with us today. Learning is a journey, and we are so happy to do this journey with you.
You are doing great. Keep going. We believe in you.
We'll see you next time for another lesson. Until then, take care and keep practicing.
Bye for now.
Thank you for watching.